Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Mom She Grace Vlog. So in this video guys, we're gonna show you one of the beautiful place here in Victoria, Australia, the 12 Apostle. We're gonna go in the Great Ocean Road. So we're going there and we're gonna show you the place. So let's go guys. So we first visit guys in the 12 Apostles. So this picture is in the 12 Apostles. So they called it 12 Apostles because there are 12 rocks standing in the ocean. And then when the Mother Nature salty water goes by to pull some of that rocks, so it became 8 left. So the next place we visited guys is the Loch Gorge, and this place is was named after the shipwrecked clipper. So there's a tragic story in this place, so that's why they called it Loch Gorge.